In this video I'm going to show you how to change region in the Khan Academy app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, let's open the Khan Academy app. Then in the app, in the home menu, as you see, you scroll down past my courses and recent and all, and here you find that you can learn anything part. Here you click select language, and then you can select your region here. Maybe you're from Canada, then you tap on Canada. Maybe you're from the US, then you can tap on the US. Or maybe you're from India, and then you can tap on that. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.